Higher Secondary School along bang chok kebra chok abang piapan cycle ihum keron. Obe barim lapet hampang song jang bong NRC hampang mai kang ni. Iam Amar Singh Tiso Singhason constituency ang kang kaching thur among ke claim pona di malong kilang charidang. Non beer tang ton pen arjik tha West Karbi Anglong Tumpreng Higher Secondary School along Wosik Crescer Cap Arni bang thom cap rat truck abang phiapan cycle ihum hom kirap pajerpon. Akijoy pen cycle keron amai long MSC Mongol Singh Tibung than bang ke hoi long Singh Tibung bitung reng thama constituency BTC amai pu Ramson rong pi pet cheng long pin am than bang phu than bang phiatum chitong dun renti. Difu Circuit House along Wosik Crescer Cap Arni Obe Barim lepen hampang song jang bong NRC hampang amai padu. Deputy Commissioner Mridul Kumar Mahanta penchip hempu amai along Wosik Thom Cap Arni NRC kirip alo ing samjit pen kipaklang chia putha kaching wai klong paleda nona phong NRC kirip alu along Assamese lapen areng kilok alam penta kitong doji NRC kirip alu along men klang dunde pustame matha chipasung nangni a phimen kache thap lapen ki chok sha son among kipakeng long oversight doji pusi kache tongara rapan Deputy Commissioner ahit pen pachini ningan pharo Crescer Kebra Trox Kebra isi There engkora ke thom api Assam mati Karbi Anglong along nakirap mati kibang abang phubang phiatuma phan NRC along adimaklong pekpon piputa Deputy Commissioner Mahanta Mayalong kaningje aklong paleda Singhason constituency ang kang Iam Amar Singh Tiso penon kibang jiwo signifying kora ke thom arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Foundation Day arni along pachton dunsi Singhason constituency arlo along kaching thuramo duan talabang so arni kang puponjia phan Iam Amar Singh Tiso pen pachini Kaching thur amok kideng tang adim mate sai ke claim pon tang adim an kang puponjia dim lake Tichomarong Market Shed Borjan Open Stage Jilangso Open Stage Tichomarong Bongrong Langso Irrigation Scheme, Amlokhi Irrigation Scheme lapen Borjan Irrigation Scheme along anke non ke bang jiwo signify inkora ke thom arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Foundation de RNC ingtu pon popusi Iam Amar Singh Tiso ben pherang kyangnu ki pachini pon abirta ripdun long Normalam sopor pandhina pharman birta mung to poniksina Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge, HRSJ Complex, 2nd floor, Dharamnala Road, Difu, Karbi Anglong. The first and ever sports lounge in town. Tune you up with live music, dead to inject, jam pad, and pool game, where you can play with friends or play with legends, along with seafood items like octopus, lobster, prawns, squid, tuna fish and many more are available only at Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge. For reservation contact 9957381813 or 8638462619 or 8812998125.
Ganj Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akinang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akinang sot hormu longpon ikji
Dian amo phipo thot beer talang bang tholo Simplex company pen difu lamdinga da kachilenga towar kasalam boma hormu keroi truck towar piang bong signify Crescer Cap ani kaching thanga jok ongdunga gari motor kaching ton nang Difu lamdinga dak Simplex company pen arlong sangti keroi truck towar piang bong along khonta hini so se kahino jok ongdung kachilenga gari motor kaching thang nang laswa jok pen ana bang hubang phiatum difu an apor penang pale long bang wedet lupusi beer tan ripdun long Wosik Crescer Cap Arni pen Difu Sports Complex along GDSA Football League ke pathu ke pangcheng Difu Greater Sports Association pen Bosik Crescent Cap ani Difu FA la pen Singlung FC yang bong kacipati pen CGDSA Football League kipatu pangceng ponlo. Difu FA atum Singlung FC apan bol pumni thapsi boli pumpen kecengsi kacipati cipahai. Singlung FC atum Difu FA apan bol ipum citusi rem nanglo. Ada babirta bangkila mas kang ton poniklom kardom.